Okay guys, let me show you guys what's going on here with this Jeep. So this Jeep, if you go to crank it, is everything gonna work now? Nope, see nothing. And you get this weird clicking inside the dash. There's nothing. If you look at scan tool, it says ignition status in run, off, accessory, and then you got lock, okay? So it's reading it all. But what I found out was, if you look at the voltage here on this ignition switch, this is supposed to be 12 volts. And we got 2 volts. Okay, so if we add power to this, let's see if I can get this to set here. Actually, here, I'll just turn it. See that? It'll start if we add power. And the dash lights up and everything. And it says we're in the run position. And actually, it'll say start on here. So like if we shut this off, look at this. Oh, we're not making contact. See, start position. So what I found was we went over the diagram, and the wire actually comes off of the fuse box. So we had power on this fuse right here, fuse 4. This is fuse 4. And we had power here, but we didn't have power inside the dash. I even went up underneath this dash right here, and right here's our connector. I'll show you this then on the diagram, that gray connector right there. I checked the wire coming out of it. There's a wire coming out of it right there where I'm pierced, and we had the same voltage as we did up here. So see, oops, we're on 12 volts. We had 2.79 and 2.79 there. So guys, as you can see by the photo, it's a little green, but I don't have a choice here because they have like butylene rubber all over this, so I'm just gonna have to fix it like this. Gonna put some extensions in there and fix it up. Okay guys, so the customer's taking the car for a ride. See him going right there. So I hope you guys like this one. Interesting. I didn't get to film as much as I usually do, but I'm gonna also look up to see what those wires did. Maybe I can find it on the diagram. We know the one fed the ignition, then there was that green and blue wire. I need to look that one up. So let me try to add that in here, and then we'll end this video.